Hey friends, if you encounter access denied, you do not have permission to access this server, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, the first thing is obviously to clear your browser's cache because that can cause the issue. So click on these three dots and then select history, click on the bin symbol and click on clear now. If you're using any VPN, then disable it. And one more thing, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter, and then go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server. This one is unchecked, it should be unchecked. Click on OK, apply OK. Once this is sorted out, the next one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.